Once you've solved OLL, or orientation of the last layer, the next step is called PLL, or permutation of the last layer, and this is to solve the rest of the cube. PLL has 21 algorithms, but there's an easier way called 2-look PLL that has only 6 algorithms, and today I'm going to be teaching you this. So first, you want to go ahead and solve the corners. So this is the first case for the corners. The recognition is very easy as well. The recognition, you just look at the corners and check if they're the same or not. So these two are not the same, different, different, and different. So when they're all different, it's called diagonal corner swap because you have to swap the diagonal corners. And the algorithm goes like this. You do F, then you put this pair into here, then U prime and bring it back out, and then undo that first F move. If you get the sideways T, then you did that part right. And the next part is to bring this pair out, then put it in using a different way. Just put it straight down and put it over to the side. Bring this over and put it back. For this next case, for the corners, one side will have the same color. So both of these are the same color, but all of the other sides are different. So you want to put the ones that are the same on the left side and do this algorithm. It's very similar to the last one, but it's a little different. You bring this pair out, then you put it in using the other method, or other way, and then R2 to bring these whites over here. Put this pair in there, U prime, take it back out. Now the next part is to solve the edges. And this right here is the first case. So one side will be completely solved, so all of them are greens, and the rest of them will have the wrong edge. So the ones that are correct should be on the back. And there are 2 types of the same algorithm, or same case, I should say. So on this particular case, the right side has opposite colors, so red and orange. I want to bring the right side up and to the back, and then to the right, then to the left, and R2. For the next case, it's the same. So you put the ones on the back, but instead of on the right side, the opposite colors are on the left side. Again, it's very similar to the last one. If you're too lazy to learn another algorithm, you can just do the left version of the last one. But if you want to learn it the right way, then R2 over to the right, over to the right. Then last time we did R and then put it in. This time you do an R prime, put it into left, down, and done. For this next algorithm, I'm pretty sure this is most cubers' favorite algorithm. So all of the sides have opposite colors. You can hold it any way right now because they all have this opposite colors. So you bring the middle slice up and over, up and to the front, up and over, and then just do an M2 again. This is also an algorithm that many cubers like. It's kind of like the last one. Last time they were opposite, this time they are adjacent. So blue and red, red and blue, orange and green, green and orange. So these 2 edges have to swap, and these 2 edges have to swap. So M prime goes up and over, to the back and over, to the front and over, up, U2, M2, and it's solved. Those are actually all of the algorithms you need to know to solve 2-look PLL and the entire cube. Because in my last video I showed you OLL, and the video before that I showed you F2L, not PLL. Anyways, in case you're still not familiar with some of the algorithms, in my next video, I'll do an example solve, a full example solve, F2L, OLL, and PLL. I hope this video helped. By the way, I changed the name of my Instagram account.